Myself, Rajendra Kumar Raut, MD, AG Agrotech. AG Agrotech is a manufacturing company. Basically, we are manufacturing poultry equipments as well as modern animal farming equipments. In modern animal farming equipments, we are providing complete solutions, which includes prefabricated building, your environment control sets, equipped with a automatic feeding system, nipple drinking system, fan and cooling system with all control systems. These are the basic things we are doing. We have for the broiler, we have automatic feeding system, nipple drinking system, fan and cooling system, and control panel system. Along with also there are a lot more products. Like we have also doing false ceilings also for the broiler houses, which is very economical as well as very proven product also. Like it will be give good results like as compared to like pop panels and all. We are doing all the things like Kolkata Expo. We have participated also last time, and it is quite good, and we are getting good response from. We have also getting a lot of inquiries from customers also.